To YouTube, it's your boy Ubiquitous 504 coming at you with another tip. This one is out the single back base bunch, and the play is called Zona Drive. And we'll come out with this play against a random defense. I think I'm coming out man first because I just want to show you how man, he destroys man regardless of what you come out with. And all I do is fade A, X, and put Y on the real route and motion Y to the left in quick height, and you see B just gets wide open. And the reason for that, and if you pause it, you'll see they get confused between the A and the B, and that's why B just literally, that drag route is always going to be open. And here I hit more, and normally he's like your second option because the confusion lets him get off his wheel route and just gets downfield. And like I said, you could go ahead and hit your running back out of the wheel, out the backfield if you want to. That time I hit Graham on his angle route coming off the edge. And as you see right now, like I said, I'm still hitting the drag because that go just constantly rape. And I brought it closer to the goal line to show you how effective it is in the red zone. And this could easily help you gain some positive yards. And right now, like you see, that wheel route by the running back just gets behind that coverage because it pulls down any zone. That B route pulls down any zone, and it just pretty much just gets open if it's like anything like a cover 2 or cover 2 buck or anything like that. And you can even auto fade, like do the rocket catch animation because of the fade routes. Once it get close to the back of the end zone, you throw that pass lead down and kind of lob it, and it's going to pretty much get naked. And if I hope you like it, feel free to rate, like, comment, subscribe. Your boy Ubiquitous 504, and I'm out.